Hey Foster, we're going to be looking at how to create a copy of the Foster Master Classroom template. Essentially, you're going to create a copy of this, and most of the work is already done for you, and everyone will have a similar layout, which will help with our parents and our students with keeping things consistent and organized. The code for the Foster class is 5GS 4JVM. So when you go to your classroom hub, at the top, just click here and then join a class, and you'll type that in there. This will come up as a new box, and it says do not edit FMS Classroom. Please do not even click into this class. Just don't even touch it. Instead, what you're going to do is there's the three dots on the right hand side. You're going to click on that and then hit copy. Okay. Up here for the class name, please put your last name and then what subject you teach. So I'm going to use ELA for this one. Your class period will go for section, and then because of synchronous learning, go ahead and put whatever time that class meets at. That way it'll help kids just sort of organize their schedule as well. Subject really only shows up in one other spot. You'll notice you can't even see the subject here. That's why I'm having you guys put it up there as well. Okay, and then go ahead and hit copy. That will create a complete new template for your class. And from there we will set up specific settings and get your classwork organized.